Okay, students, good afternoon. Good afternoon to everybody. So we are going to discussing about yesterday also we can discuss the admission of partner problems is there. Admission of a partner. Admission of partners problem have completely five accounts is there. That is an revolution account and cash or bank account. And another one is what, students? Goodwill account. Next one is a partner's capital account, and finally balance sheet is there. These five account we can prepare in this admission of partner accounts is there. What is that? Admission of partner. Yesterday we have completed admission of partner have first problem. Now today we are discussing about problem number 2. First of all, listen to me. What is the question? Amar and Akbar are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3 respectively. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. So liabilities, sundry creditors 20,000, outstanding expenses 5,000, general reserves 14,000, capitals Amar 40,000, Akbar 30,000 rupees is there, cash 5,000, bills receivable 12,000, debitors 28,000, stock 24,000, machinery 25,000, land 15,000 rupees is there. And another one, on the above date, Anthony was admitted into partnership for 1/4 share in the future profits. Okay, now 1/4 share represent future profits on the following condition. Admit అవిద్య ముందు ఉన్నటువంటి కండిషన్స్ ఏంటి? కండిషన్ నెంబర్ 1, Anthony should bring 35,000 capital and 28,000 goodwill in cash. By cash గా capital and goodwill ని తీసుకొని రావాలి. By cash గా capital and goodwill ని తీసుకొని రావాలి బేటా ఇందులో 100%. So that is the first condition. Now condition number 2 is land to be valued 25,000. Here is land value is how much? 15,000. Previous year have a land value 15,000. Here is what given? 20,000. The value is increased to 5,000. Isn't it? Now next one, machinery value 23,000. Here is machinery value is how much? 25. Here is given 23. So that means machinery value is decreased 2,000 rupees. Next one, stock depreciated by 10%. And another one, provide for bad debits 1,300. Make the general entries here. Now first of all, we are doing in this admission of partners account. Now we are doing the first one is revolution account. Let us take what is the formula of revolution account. Student, it is in first column particulars, second column amount rupees, and third column is also given the particulars, and next one is also amount rupees is it. This is the revolution account pro forma. Let us write on left side debit here particulars. Next one here is an amount rupees. At the same time particulars, amount rupees. Is an credit side. This account is what center? Revolution account. Write down revolution account. Isn't it? That is a revolution account. So revolution account have what we can record? Revolution account have we can record asset value increasing and decreasing, and liabilities values also increasing and decreasing. The values we can record into revolution account. First of all, let us listen to me. Asset value increased, then we can record into credit side. Asset value decreased or depreciate, we can record into debit side, friends here. Okay, now first there is given the, so we can record the revolution account have only adjustments only we can record into revolution account. That adjustment is what? B. Second adjustment. What is that? Land to be valued 20,000. Land value is 20,000. Before here is what the value? 15,000. 15,000 land value. Now present value is 15,000 is 31st March 2020. Before year land value is 15,000. Present value is how much? 20,000. So that land value is increased. That's why we can record it which side? Credit side. Let us write down to by land account. By land account. So increasing value is how much? 20,000. Remaining value 15,000. How much increasing here? 20,000 minus 5,000 is how much? 15,000 is 5,000 is the increasing value. 20,000 rupees minus 15,000 is equal to 5,000 rupees is increasing value, students. Okay, now we are going to next one. That is machinery valued 23,000. In this balance sheet have what is the amount of machinery? Machinery value is 25,000 is balance sheet have. Now adjustments have given 23,000. This machinery value is decreased, isn't it? So increasing value we can record into debit side. Decreasing value we can record into credit side. What value decreasing here? Machine value. That's why we can record into debit side. To machine account. To machine account. What is the previous value? 25,000 rupees is the previous value. Present value is how much? 23,000. Present value is 23,000. Remaining, what is the difference here? 2,000. 2,000 rupees is a loss of the machinery. The 2,000 value deducting machinery, isn't it? Now next one we are going to D. Stock depreciated by 10%. Stock value depreciated by 10%. Then we can record it which side? Debit side. Depreciation means what? One of the deducting value or loss of the stock. Now let us, we can take debit side to stock account. To stock account. The value is what? Stock value is 24,000 rupees into, at the rate of depreciation how much? 10%. That's why 10 by 100. The amount is 10 by 100. Now we can take 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. That is equal to what is the value? 2,400 rupees is stock depreciation value, isn't it? Now we are going to last one. Provide for bad debits 1,300. Provide for bad debits 1,300. Bad debits is what students here? One of the loss of the debitors, isn't it? So then we can write here, provide for bad debits to bad debits account. Bad debits account. That directly value given, not given the ratio, directly value given. That bad debits value is how much? 1,300 rupees. That value is 1,300, isn't it? So all increasing values and decreasing values already we can record in the revolution account. This have no increasing kind of decreasing values in conditions have. All is completed. Second one completed, third one completed, fourth one completed, fifth one completed. First one is we can record into cash or bank account. Why? Because that transaction have bring the cash and capital purpose and goodwill purpose, bring the cash from new partner Anthony. This time cash is comes in the business. Then we can record into cash or bank account this first condition, isn't it? Now we can close that. What is which side is in heavy value? Now let us say debit side is in heavy value. But let us take total amount is 0. 4 plus 3, 7, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 5,700 rupees is there. Now here is what 5,000 rupees only. What we can make here? Revaluation loss. Let us write down by revaluation loss. Isn't it? So how we can make that revaluation loss? Debit minus credit equals to revaluation loss. That is equal, debit value is how much? 5,700 minus credit value 5,000 rupees. That is equal, what is the loss of the revaluation? 700 rupees only revaluation loss. Let us write down revaluation loss amount is 700. Now what is the total amount friends here? 5,700 rupees is there. This is the revaluation account, isn't it? That is a revaluation account. Now we can distribute the revaluation loss for old partners. We can distribute the revaluation loss from old partners. Who is the old partners here? Amar and Akbar. Let us write down here Amar, Akbar. Okay, students. So what is the ratio? Ratio of profits and loss? 4:3 ratio. We can distribute the revaluation loss 4:3 ratio. Let's take here 4:3 ratio. That equals to 700 rupees into Amar ratio 4. Total ratio is in 7. That is equal to Akbar 700 rupees into ratio 3. Total 7. 7 1 the 7. 7 1 the 7. 1 into 400. 1 into 100. 400. Next 1 into 300. 1 into 3. 300. Okay now, so Amar take the revaluation loss 400, Akbar take the revaluation loss 300 rupees is it. So this is the revaluation account, friends. Now we are going to next one, cash or bank account. Okay. Let us see cash or bank account. Write down here cash or bank account. Credit, here is a debit. So first one is particulars, amount rupees, particulars, amount rupees. Okay, students, amount rupees. So cash or bank account have an opening balance is there. That opening balance is at which side? Debit side. How we can write that opening balance? To balance breakdown. How we can write that? Balance breakdown. Where is the balance breakdown? Before here, balance sheet have given the cash amount is here we can take the opening balance. That means before year closing balance, next year opening balance is there. So before year closing cash is how much? 5,000 rupees is there. That cash is now we can take opening balance of 5,000 rupees. That is a balance breakdown. Clear now? Now what we can take, any cash comes in the business? Yes, exactly. First condition, let us see. Anthony should bring 35,000 capital and 28,000 goodwill in cash. Goodwill and capital comes in the business in cash. That's why we can record into cash or bank account. To Anthony capital, Anthony capital, that amount is what, friends? 35,000. That amount is in 35,000. Next one, Anthony goodwill. Anthony goodwill account, that amount is what? 28,000. Capital is in 35,000. goodwill is 28,000 rupees is there. So any cash goes out the business in this account, no cash goes out the in this business. That's why we can close the cash account. What is the total value of cash? 0, 0, 0. 5, 5, 10 plus 8, 18. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Total cash amount is what? 68,000. Now we can make the by balance carried on. So credit side have a no balance. Debit side balance is how much? 68,000. That is an only balance carried on 68,000. Now total amount is what stand here? 68,000 rupees is there. So let us write down to balance brought down 68,000. This cash account have given 68,000 rupees. So we can record into balance sheet have asset side. Here is given cash amount 5,000 rupees. Now this 5,000 rupees have we can take place have we can take the 68,000 rupees cash amount is there. So next academic year have cash amount is in our business 68,000 rupees is there. Okay students. Now it is a revolution account and cash or bank account, isn't it? First one is revolution account, second one is cash or bank account. Now we are going to do next one is a goodwill account. What we are doing students here? Goodwill account. Let us see. Yeah, first one is particulars. Amount rupees. Particulars and amount rupees. This is an what? Goodwill account. Okay, students. So debit and credit. Here is an particulars. Amount rupees. Here is also same particulars. Amount rupees. Okay, students. So here is goodwill is comes to by cash only. That's why we can record the credit side by cash account. Goodwill is comes by cash. That's why we can record into by cash. Goodwill amount is what? 28,000. This 28,000 goodwill is sharing from the old partners. How we can share that? New her partners sharing ratio 4:3. You can distribute that 28,000 in a goodwill account. Let us write down 4:3 ratio. We can distribute the goodwill in old partners. Who is he? To Akbar, to Amar. Amar first one. Goodwill amount is what? 28,000 into 4. Total share is 7. Next one is what? To Akbar. Akbar account and Amar account. What is the value of goodwill? 28,000. Akbar share is what? 3. Total shares is 7. Isn't it? So 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. 0, 0, 0. That is equal to 4 fours are 16. So that goodwill have an Amar share is 16,000. Isn't it? Now next 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. 4 threes are 12. Akbar share is 12,000 rupees is it. Now what is the total goodwill value? Here is 28,000 and here is also 28,000 rupees is there. This is the total goodwill value and it is the goodwill account. Okay, friends. Now we are going to prepare partners capital account. Isn't it? We can prepare the partners capital account. How we can prepare that? Let us see. Okay, we can drop that one. Yeah, partners capital account for pharma I am taking here now. Yes, friends. First one is particulars. Second one, who is he? Amar, Akbar, Anthony. And once again, particulars. Amar, Akbar, Anthony. This is a partners capital account. Let us write down here. Partners capital account. Left side is an debit and right side is an credit. Okay, students. Write down here particulars. Amar, Akbar, Anthony, isn't it? At the same time, particulars, Amar, Akbar, Anthony, isn't it? This is the partners capital account. What we can record, friends, here? I am giving already. What is that? First one is partners capital account have an opening balance. Then after we will record goodwill, and after we can record the general reserves and profit and loss account, revaluation profit or loss, and finally cash or bank account. Isn't it? So let us write down first by balance brought down. What is that? By balance brought down. Where is the balance brought down? Already question haven't given the partners capital. Amar capital is in 40,000. Akbar capital is in 30,000. That amounts is in opening capitals is there. Opening have who is he? Amar and Akbar is there, not Anthony. So that's why we can take the opening balance as Amar and Akbar have only. That amount is what? That amount is Amar have 40,000 rupees and Akbar have 30,000 rupees. Isn't it? So Anthony is not in starting. Okay, friends. Now next we are going to buy goodwill. Buy goodwill account. Already we can distribute the goodwill. What is the amount that Akbar have 16,000? Amar have 16,000 and Akbar have 12,000. Isn't it? Amar have 16,000, Akbar have 12,000 rupees is there. So total value is, let us take Amar have 16,000 and Akbar column have, you can take 12,000. Here is an nil. Okay, now next one we can make general reserves. Already given general reserves by general reserves. So general reserves is one of the payment. It is an also distribute the old partners. How we can distribute that? Our ratio is 4:3. 4:3 ratio. We can distribute the amount that general reserves. What is the value of general reserves here? Here given general reserves value is in 14,000 rupees into at the rate of what is the ratio? Okay, now Amar ratio is in 4/7 and Akbar ratio is in 3/7. I am doing it at a time. Okay, now let's see. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Isn't it? 4 2s are 8. 8,000 rupees general reserve is an Akbar. Sorry, Amar. And the next one, 7 ones are 7 twos are 2 threes are 6,000. Isn't it? 6,000 rupees is an Akbar. Amar have an 8,000. Akbar have an 6,000 rupees is there. This is the general reserves distributed. Now we are going to. There is not given the profit and loss account. Okay, students. Now we can distribute general reserves. General reserves are over. Now we can distribute another one is what revaluation account have an we can make the profit or loss. Revaluation account have we can make the loss. Revaluation loss we can make now. That revaluation loss we can record into which side, student? That is in a credit debit side. Why? Because the revaluation loss we can record a loss. That all losses is that we can record into debit side. Let us write down to revaluation loss account. Isn't it? What is the Amar receive the loss amount 400 rupees and Akbar is 300. We are already distributing a revaluation account this amount 400 and 300. Okay now, and then you have a nil. And next one is by cash account. By cash account. Where is this called cash? Anthony bring the capital. Let us write down Anthony capital. Isn't it? Anthony capital. We can record into Anthony column only. What is the Anthony bring the capital? That the capital bring 35,000. What is the amount that 35,000 rupees is there? Isn't it? So Amar capital is in 40,000. Akbar capital is in 30,000. Isn't it? And Anthony capital is in 35,000 rupees is there. Isn't it? So goodwill we can distribute that total goodwill value is in 28,000. We can distribute the goodwill sharing profits ratio 4:3. That value is 16,000 and 12,000 is the goodwill, and general reserves also we can distribute that ratio is 4:3. That value is 8,000 rupees and 6,000 rupees is there. So now we are doing the total. So let us see what is the total amount. So what we can make in the partners capital account balance carried on. Let us write down to balance carried on. How we can make that balance carried on, students? Here total credit minus total debit. Isn't it? Total credit minus total debit equals to carried on. Okay, let us we can make that first of all doing the total. Anthony is 35,000 rupees and Akbar 0, 0 and 0. 2 plus 6 8, 3 plus 1 4, 48,000 rupees. Now next one Amar 0, 0 and again 0. Okay, 6 plus 8 14 and 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. 64,000 rupees is Amar. Total amount is Amar total amount is 64,000. Akbar total amount is 48,000. Anthony total amount is 35,000. We can make the balance carried on. Here is a revaluation loss is there. So last amount is Amar having how much? 400 rupees. Total amount have we can less the 400 and remaining amount we can take now. So 64,000 rupees minus 400, that is equal to 63,600 rupees is there. That amount we can take into Amar account 63,600. Let us take Akbar having what amount? 48,000 rupees minus here is what amount? 300. That is equal to 47,700 is there. 47,700 rupees charging. So that amount is right down here. Akbar have 47,700 rupees is there. Now let us Anthony have no loss is there. That amount is 35,000 rupees is there. Now let us we are doing total amount is 35,000 Anthony, 48,000 Akbar and 64,000 Amar. This is the total value. Now what we can make here? Let us see 2 by balance breakdown. Isn't it? Balance breakdown amount is what friends here? Let us see what is given here. 63,600 and another one is 47,700 and here is an 35,000. These 35,000, 47,700 and 63,600. This is the new capitals of the partners. We can record into liability side partners capital. We can take this amount only. We don't take 40,000, 30,000. We can take only 63,600, 47,700 and 35,000 rupees amount. We can take into balance sheet have liability side, isn't it? So this is a partners capital account. Now we are going to next one is what? Next one is balance sheet friends. Wait for a moment. Here I will show you. Liabilities, amount rupees and assets, amount rupees. This is a balance sheet. Let us write down liabilities. Okay, next amount rupees, assets, amount rupees. Okay friends, now first of all we can record into liability side. Let us see what is the old balance sheet. First one is what? Sundry creditors. We can record into liability side. Let us write down sundry creditors. Isn't it? Sundry creditors. The value is what friend? The value is 20,000 rupees. The value is 20,000. Next one, outstanding expense side. It is also liability. Outstanding expenses. The value is what? 5,000 rupees. Outstanding expenses value is 5,000. Next one, what given? General reserves. Already we can record into capital account general reserves. That's why we don't record in a balance sheet have. Okay students. Now let us take next one is capitals. Let us take capitals. Capitals. So here is who is he? Amar. Next one Akbar. Next one Anthony. Anthony. These three members is partners. What is the value here? Amar value is 63,600 rupees. Akbar value is 47,700 rupees and Anthony value is 35,000 rupees is there. This is the capitals, isn't it? Now let us liability side is over. Now we are going to asset side. First one is what friends here? Cash. Cash value is already we are doing the cash or bank account. that have an comes to 68,000. Isn't it? That have comes to 68,000 cash balance. We can take that cash amount is 68,000. We don't take in old balance sheet cash amount 5,000. Isn't it? Next one, bills receivable. Bills receivable. That amount is 12,000 rupees. They have no adjustment. That's why we can write directly. Next one is debitors. Debitors have an adjustment. What is the debitors value? 28,000. What is the adjustment? Bad debits 1,300 given in adjustment. That's why we can less that bad debits. Bad debits. Isn't it? The value is how much? 1,300. Remaining value is 0, 0, 7, 7 minus 1, 6 and 2. 26,700 rupees is debitors value. Now another one is what? Stock. Stock have any adjustment is there? Yes. Stock value depreciated 10%. Let us write down stock value first of all. Stock value is 24,000. Isn't it? Minus depreciation. Depreciation. That amount is 2,400. Isn't 10% now? That's why 0, 0, 10 minus 4, 6, 3 minus 2, 1 and 2. 21,600 rupees is there. Isn't it? Now next one, machinery. Machinery value is almost 25,000. Machinery value is 25,000. This value is decreased in this year. How much decrease in value? 2,000. Let us take minus decreasing value. How much? 2,000. Present value is how much, friends? 23,000 rupees is machine value. Next one is land. Let's take land. Land value is what given? 15,000. 15,000 given. This land value is this year increased. How much value increased here? 5,000 rupees land value increased. Let us write down plus increasing value. Increasing value, that is 5,000 rupees is there. Now total amount is what stands here? 20,000. Isn't it? 20,000. Now let us see what is the total of balance sheet. Okay, now let us see. First column 0, second column 0, third column 6 plus 7 13, fourth column 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 7 15, plus 5 20, plus 1 21. Okay, 2 12 plus 5 15 plus 2 70. 1,71,000. Okay, 1,71,300. Now this side let us see 0 0. Okay, 7 plus 6 13. 8 plus 2 10, 16 plus 1 17, 20 plus 1 21, 7 9, 11, 11 plus 2 13 plus 4 17. Okay, 1,71,300. It is what, friends? Balance sheet. This is the fifth one, isn't it? It is an fourth account. So, it's an overall total second problem balance sheet is 1,71,300 rupees is there. Okay, students. So, this is the second question of admission of partner, students. I am giving very clearly and very clearly explaining and very clearly giving the notes also. Okay, students. You can write and practice these 20 marks related problems. So you can practice, then you can got the 20 marks. You cannot practice, that is a problem for you students. Okay, now tomorrow class onwards, so we can discuss about problem number 3. Okay, thank you students.